Hi girls, I know you're there watching. I'm just going to give you an idea of what I would like for Father's Day. Okay, so maybe something like my Spitfire that I've got on hold, my ME109 that I've got on hold, my P38 that I've got on hold, and my 262 that I've got on hold. Not that expensive, but I would like that. So please, if you're looking to buy something for your dad, you're a good dad, this is what I'd like. Thank you. Hi guys, it's Glen here from Metro Hobbies at Box Hill. Well, winter is almost over and spring is on its way, and also the inevitable great day for all fathers, Father's Day. And I've got some great kits to give to your father. So without further ado, let's go. You're looking for the big stuff? Wow, let's go with the 1/32 scale aircraft kits. One of the best kits on the market. To me is great. P51D Mustang. This is the Korean War version. Great kit, lots of parts, goes together beautifully, as all Tamiya kits do. But now we also have another one. Border Models new Messerschmitt BF 109 G6. Great kit, and it's beautiful. This is actually 1/35 scale, not 1/32, but there's only a little bit of a difference and not that bad, come on. A lot of fun. So let's move on. Here we are at the ever so popular 1/48 scale aircraft kits, and there is lots, but I have this one, the Profi Pack BF 109 G2. Great kit. It's a beautiful model, goes together really well. Comes with photo etch parts and the ever beloved canopy mask as well, and no less than 5 decal options. Great kit, love it. Also up there is Tamiya's beautiful P38 Lightning. This is surely a winner. Popular worldwide, and everyone loves building this kit. Again, it's got everything you need in this kit. The canopy master in there, and great decals, 2 great options, famous in World War II, but love to build this baby. Let's go. This is 1/72 scale, and there's lots to choose from here. However, popular these days now is World War I subjects, and these 2 Eduard kits are just great. They go together really well, and they are so lovely and colourful. Make a great addition to your glass cabinet, even to your shelves, or even of course in the man cave. Love these 2. Now, no guy wants theirs to be small, but of course there's the inevitable thing called space. And we do have nice little models like, oh, what have we got here? It's really small. Whew, Spitfire. And a Russian fighter. Well, you know what? This would fit nicely in the bathroom because it's so small. We have science fiction and real space. But of course, every dark night wants a Catwoman. Wow. And of course, what male wouldn't want his rocket to be big? Saturn V 50th anniversary 1/72 scale rocket, and this baby is super big, super heavy, and Christ, it's huge. Well, if your dad is into 1/35 scale armor, I've got some great ideas right here, including the Tamiya M40. Great kit. Now this one you can't miss because it has a very long barrel. Lovely model to build, and you'll build this in no time because it's Tamiya. It's always easy to build. As you come down further, we have a great piece of historic right here, which is the Chernobyl #2. This is from the TV series, and this one is their fire truck. Comes with the crew here, which are putting out the fire, and a cardboard cutout of the actual backdrop. Great little kit, and a great piece of historical work right here, folks. Well, let's move on. Now, if you are into armor and you don't want anything too big like I've just shown you, there's always 1/72 scale. They're a little small, but they are great to build and easy to build. You build them in no time, and they fall together because they're so small and so good. We have many to choose from. We have also the FX as well, which also do vehicles as well. And they also make these great little combinations, Sherman 5 Flight and the Tiger 1. Great little barrels, come with paint and glue and anything else you need to put it together. Now, if your dad likes painting little figures of historical value, this is what I'll look at. These fantastic figures from HAT are great. We have the Napoleon Austrian figures here, and we have the Prussian infantry as well. They are great little figures and go together quite easily. There's some painting involved, but they will make great subjects. And of course, there's a lot more here to choose from as well. You can do World War I, you can do World War II, you can do science fiction, and as far back as you want, because they are so much fun to do. Finally, we've got ships, and we've got a lot of ships. We've got battleships, cruisers, destroyers, aircraft carriers, and of course, sailing ships for anybody who loves sailing ships. And for those who like big ships as well, you know, big ships, Dad, we have the Titanic. This one comes with LED lights, so it's quite colourful and quite amazing. So for your man cave, this is what you need. Well guys, I've shown you aircraft of all scales, armour, science fiction, real space, and of course ships. So from all of us here, wishing you guys, fathers of course, happy Father's Day. Take care.